Someone asks you Unonzwa Sei Handisi, meaning how are you feeling today? Let's answer it the real Shona way.
Unonzwa Sei Handisi mia?
Let me answer in real Shona.
Ndiri kunzwa mushe olu, waita basa nekubvunza.
Ndiri kunzwa mushe means I am feeling good, and waita basa nekubvunza means thank you for asking. Mia could have also replied, Ndiri kunzwa zvakanaka, meaning I'm feeling well.
She could have also simply replied, Ndiri bo, meaning I am fine.
Exactly!
She could have also replied, Ndiri kunzwa mushe, meaning I am feeling good.
She could have also simply replied, Ndiri mushe, meaning I am good.
Brilliant, Leah!
Mia, if you were sick and now you're better, what do you say in Shona?
I say ndave nani.
You can also say iko zvino ndava kunzwa zviri nani, meaning now I am feeling better.
Fantastic, Olu!
Now, what do you say in Shona if you want to say I am getting better?
Zvave kuita nani.
The Shona wizard did it again!
You can also just say zvave nani iko zvino, meaning it's better now.
That's great, Mia!
If you're not okay, in Shona you say Handisi kunzwa bo, meaning I am not feeling fine.
Correct, Olu!
You can also simply say Handisi bo, meaning I am not well.
Perfect, Leah!
You can also say Handisi kunzwa mushe or zvakanaka, meaning I am not feeling well.
You can also casually say Handisi raiti, meaning I am not okay.
Fantastic, Tari!
You can also casually say mahwani chaiwo, meaning I am feeling really
The
bad.
Shona wizard strikes again!
If you are talking to friends and you are not feeling okay, you can say Zvakadzvanya or zvakapuresa.
This means you are really struggling or extremely ill.
That's great, Olu!
Now it's your turn.
Unonzwa Sei Handisi iwe?
Write how you are feeling today in Shona in the comments below.
Wait! The next Shona lesson is even cooler. Please don't miss it. It's so much fun.
For this channel to continue grow, it needs your support. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Shona Squad.